saying 26 days because I don't believe in working on Sundays. So always give yourself a break on Sundays. That is for family, that is for life. If you feel I would like to work on Sundays also, I have passed that phase, so I suggest not to work on Sunday because that is a recharge day for us.
Yes.
If your wife is working day and night for you on all 26 days, give one day for your wife. That will make you happy for another 24 days. So stick to that rule. So in 24 days, if you have a zero budget, if you have a zero budget, I will give you one program. That in the first week, do all free listings. There are around 800 sites, which Sanjay are knowing that. Those who have free listing facility. Do free listings. Second week, try to identify 5 appointments every day. You stick to this rule, 5 appointments every day. You have to meet 5 people every day. That is the second week. And third week, read at least 10 books of your subject in the third week. 10 books, not less than that. In the fourth week, you will get leads. And then on that level, you can identify your target audience and your ticket size. Then the fourth week is to identify, मैंने ये किया. Your mind will get open up. Otherwise, it will not get open up. That is the simplest way I am telling you. So in a week, if you are working for 6 days, 5 meetings a day, 30 people you meet in a week, and if you can't identify your ticket size, this is test marketing. Then either you are on a wrong path, either you are selling a wrong product to a wrong person, either you yourself is confused. This is the simplest way for everybody, even for me also. If I am doing something new, today is my experimenting. Then I am putting my valuable knowledge to 25 heads. I feel all of you are important for me because you all have something special which is going to give me something new to learn. So this is the third point. One is ticket size, one is behavior of the customer, third is the 1 month testing of 26 days, and now the media. Suppose you decide that now I have some budget. Zero budget we started with zero budget. Now we have budget of 5 to 10,000 rupees a month or a year or whatever it is. Start with digital first. Spend money on digital. That is what I suggest to everybody. Facebook has a capacity to spend money from 800 rupees a month. Start with digital. Now, if I would like to know any businesses, I can give you the. So, what business?
Basically, I am an organic consultant.
Okay, you do organic food.
Yeah.
Achha. What farming? Right?
Yeah.
So you develop the farms.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, for example, let's take his example, that organic farming. Now, only his target audience will be those who are health conscious. Who will eat the organic food? Health conscious people. Now, organic is costly.
Yes.
So who will spend money? Those who can afford it. So there are 2 points clear. One is health conscious, one is who can afford. Now he will get ticket size. Now he has to decide कि 5 किलो सब्जी मेरी कितने में जा रही है? Say 100 रुपया किलो, 500 रुपये किलो में जा रही है. तो where are the areas where people buy 500 रुपये किलो वाला सब्जी? Dadar onwards, Dadar to Colaba, Parla, Andheri, Santa Cruz, Thana, Vashi, New Bombay. There are the areas where you have people those who are very health conscious because they stay in good area. If you go to Asalfa, sorry if somebody is staying there, but there are area specific aura.
Yes.
मोहम्मद अली रोड पे जाके कोई आदमी ये नहीं बोलेगा सुपीरियर क्लाइमेट. No one can. So there are limited to that area specific zones. So he will market there. How will do it? He go to Facebook, वो login करेंगे. Organic farming, health conscious people in my area. Budget size is 5,000 rupees. ये उसका media plan होगा. So you got it? So start with digital, then go for press. Now press is the direct response system. Till whatever media come, आज भी press is the only media which gives you result. Why all the people are putting ads every day? Why? Because press is the directly response mechanism. Now, why this is happening? Why the press is still surviving? Because they reach to lakhs of people. Take example of Times of India. Now in Mumbai, Times of India has a capacity to reach 4,85,000 households. 4,85,000 households every day. Now if you put your ad small, छोटा classified डाला, जो चश्मे के में भी नहीं दिखता है, which cost you 5,000 rupees, and you expect 4 लाख लोगों में से 40 लोगों ने भी कॉल नहीं किया. You'll say ना, मैंने ad डाला 2,000 का, लेकिन 40 लोगों ने भी. There are content creation, how you create your content. When you plan, see मेरा 5th point है, identify your target audience. Second, identify your ticket size. Learn about the customer behavior. 5th is do the digital first, then content creation. और मैंने आपको 26 डे का एक प्रोग्राम दिया है. You should follow that. It is a 100% success. 110% success. और दूसरा वीक जो है, when you have 5 meetings a day, आपको खुद को भागना पड़ेगा. आज कौन से 5 लोगों को मिलूंगी? How will you identify? अभी जैसे इनको ये फिल्म लैब में है, आर्ट डायरेक्शन में जाना है, इनको 5 जन को आइडेंटिफाई करना इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. All are busy. Directors, producers, art directors, casting directors, all are busy. He's not going to get a time. So he has to call, he has to do the homework, he has to plan, he has to call, he has to make the appointment. Then he will realize his target audience. आप LIC में हो, आप बोलते हो, LIC is a difficult. My wife used to be she tried the LIC agency. I appear for the exam. I passed. She can't be doing that because I appeared for the exam for her. That was a mistake I did. मैं एग्जाम दे देता हूँ, लाइसेंस ले लेता हूँ, फिर वो भेज देगी. पहले मैंने लिया, वाइट एजेंट मनी तो पहले मैंने ले लिया, टारगेट ऑडियंस हो गया. Then I took my sons, मेरी बेटी, फिर आजू बाजू. मैंने बोला अभी मैंने मेरा सब यूज कर लिया. Now you have to identify your target audience. So it's difficult task. So we have 6 minutes more. So again, we are reaching on the same point. Identify your target audience, identify your ticket size. 1 month program of 26 days. Behavior of the customer. Then decide your budget. Start with digital and then use